Hi, here at Team Believe It, we believe every question has an answer, every problem has a solution, and everything is possible. Please subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and share these videos with everyone you know. By the way, we saved the best tip at the latter part of the video. Now for today's topic, credit. It's more than just a number, it's your financial report card. Lenders use it to decide if you're a good risk. A good credit score opens doors. You'll get better interest rates on loans. You'll find it easier to rent an apartment. Bad credit? That's a hurdle. Higher interest rates mean you pay more. You might even get denied for loans or apartments. Repairing your credit takes time, but it's worth it. It puts you back in control of your finances. Think of it like this. Your credit score is your financial health. Just like going to the doctor for checkups, you need to check your credit regularly. It's about taking charge of your financial future, and it all starts with understanding your credit. Your credit report is like a detailed history of your finances. It shows how you've handled money in the past. You can get your credit report for free. Check out annualcreditreport.com. This site is authorized by the government. You'll get reports from 3 major credit bureaus. They are Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. Look over each report carefully. Make sure all the information is accurate. This is crucial for the next step. You're looking for any mistakes. Did you really miss that payment? Is that credit card yours? Mistakes happen, and they can hurt your score. Knowing what's on your report is the first step to fixing it. It's your financial story. Make sure it's telling the right one. Errors on your credit report can drag down your score. It's like a wrong answer on your report card, but you can fix it. Dispute any incorrect information. Contact the credit bureau directly. You can do this online, by mail, or by phone. Be clear and concise in your dispute. Provide evidence to support your claim. This might include payment records or account statements. The credit bureau must investigate your dispute. They have 30 days to respond. Keep detailed records of your dispute. Note the date, time, and who you spoke with. This will help if you need to follow up. Disputing errors can be a bit of a process, but it's worth the effort to get your credit report accurate. Remember, you have rights. Don't let errors hold you back. Section 4. Building a solid credit history. A good credit history shows you're responsible with money. It's like earning gold stars for your finances. One way to build credit is with a credit card. Use it for small purchases and pay it off in full each month. This shows you can handle credit responsibly. Another option is a credit builder loan. This is a small loan that you repay over time. The payments are reported to the credit bureaus. This helps build your credit history. Paying your bills on time is crucial. Set reminders or use autopay to avoid late payments. Late payments can really hurt your score. Building good credit takes time and effort, but the rewards are worth it. It's about showing you're a responsible borrower. Section 5. Managing debt and budgeting for success. Debt can feel overwhelming. It's like carrying a heavy backpack, but you can lighten the load. Start by creating a budget. Track your income and expenses. This helps you see where your money is going. Once you have a budget, create a debt payoff plan. There are 2 popular methods, the snowball and the avalanche. The snowball method focuses on paying off the smallest debts first. The avalanche method tackles the debts with the highest interest rates first. Negotiate with your creditors. Ask for lower interest rates or waived fees. You might be surprised at what they're willing to do. Remember, getting out of debt is a marathon, not a sprint. Celebrate your progress along the way. Every step you take brings you closer to financial freedom. Section 6. Reaping the rewards of good credit. Good credit is more than just a number. It's financial freedom. With good credit, you'll qualify for lower interest rates. This saves you money on loans and credit cards. You'll have more choices and better terms. Imagine getting approved for your dream home or car. Good credit makes it possible. It opens doors to opportunities. You'll have peace of mind knowing you're in control of your finances. Good credit takes time and effort, but the rewards are life-changing. It's about building a brighter future for yourself and your family. As always, here at Team Believe It, we believe every question has an answer, every problem has a solution, and everything is possible. Please subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and share these videos with everyone you know. Thank you.